Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create labels from an Excel list. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open up your Excel, which of course I've done right here, Microsoft Excel application, which is here. Now I have this data already imputed here. That's this data entry form. And let's say I want to make a label or create a label out of this form. All I have to do is head over to Microsoft Word and launch Microsoft Word. So over here, at the top corner where you have home, insert, draw, design, go ahead and click on mailings. And now that we're in mailings, you have all of these further options. So just go ahead and click on start mail merge. You have letters, email, messages, envelopes, labels, directory, no matter what document, and that. So go ahead and click on labels. And now you can choose this. That's a page printers, as you can see, is default tray. And your label vendors, I chose Ivory US letter. So you can click on this drop down menu for you to choose any of the label vendors. So over here, product number, I chose address labels because I want to have address labels in here. That's 5667. You can go ahead and choose any of the product numbers that you want to show the kind of label that you want to have. Okay, so you have this 5 photo labels, you have mailing seals, you have shipping labels, so I just have to go for my address labels. So I can just leave it at address labels. So over here, go ahead and click on OK, and you see that this label is going to be added. Now, if you cannot find the grid option, you can head over to layout. Go ahead and click on any of those. You could select like margins and go ahead and click on layout here. Not that layout, like this other part of the layout. I click on view grid lines and you'll be able to view the grid lines. So I'm going back to home and back to mailings. So now that I've added this, I'm just going to have to click on select recipient. So go ahead and click on use an existing list. Now I'm going to choose the list that I downloaded from my Excel. So that's in my download already, and it's financial sample. So I'm going to click on that and click on open. So this is the name of my sheet, is in sheet 1, and that's in a table form. So I'm going to click on OK, and my data is going to be imputed in this label. Okay. Then as you can see that the details have been entered right into this after selecting our existing recipient. So from here, you can now go ahead and click on edit recipient list for you to add or to insert match field, not edit recipient field, rather you have to like insert match fields for you to insert the kind of headings that you want, or the kind of data, specific data that you want to be added to the label. So click on insert match field. So I'm going to insert, I just need the country. So select insert. So I'm going to type enter. So no. So click on insert and close. So I'm going to delete that and delete this. Then click on enter. And okay, so I'm going to click on enter another match field. So select insert match field, and I just need sales price, okay, units sold to be there, and enter, and then it's something else to be there as well, and that is sales price. So click on insert and close. So these are the three things I need to be displayed in my label. So after doing that, go ahead and click on update labels. As you can see, this is how it's going to be included, and it has spread across every other. So next record, country, unit sold, sales price, that is what is going to be included in my label. So over here, you can now go ahead and click on finish and merge. So you can edit individual documents by clicking on this. So you can select this to from, so it might not be current record, let's say from number 1 to number 30, and click on OK, and it's going to take you to the individual records. So here you go. So you can now edit them individually. So this is number 1 to number 30. So you can also go back to the mailings and go ahead and click on that again. And so okay, here we are actually. So here you can now edit and merge. So this, you cannot edit this, and it has successfully been merged, or you have successfully created a label from this Excel sheet, and this is what the result looks like. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.